Did you know customers are only receiving an average of 50% of the elevator services they are paying for? This is largely due to the confusing and vague contracts and time required to manage your elevator vendor. You wouldn't try to complete your taxes alone, so why manage your elevator vendor alone? You have far better things to do. AuditMate is a full-service vertical transportation management company. At the center of everything we do is CARE, our contract and regulatory evaluation software. CARE is the first ever elevator and escalator auditing software that manages and audits all aspects of your day-to-day elevator operations. CARE makes it easy for you to manage your elevator maintenance vendor. Never miss a maintenance visit again, or pay more than you should for an invoice or a proposal. CARE audits your maintenance, testing, invoices, proposals, and compliance in real time, 24/7, 365. Besides being frustrating, we find that 30% of invoices and proposals are inaccurate and wildly overpriced. It is our top priority to get you what you are paying for and reduce the time spent reviewing confusing contracts. CARE is the first of its kind software requiring transparency and fairness from the elevator and escalator industry. CARE can be purchased in two ways: Advanced or Enterprise. CARE Enterprise is our full-service management solution. For $65 per unit per month, you can reduce your elevator costs by 25% and never have to speak to an elevator company again. With CARE Enterprise, we will manage all aspects of your elevator portfolio on your behalf. We communicate directly with the vendor to ensure all maintenance and testing is complete. Every invoice and proposal will be audited with our CARE software, and an expert will negotiate with the vendor to ensure you are paying a fair and just price. CARE is working behind the scenes 24/7, 365 to pick up on trends in your service history to prevent breakdowns and reduce tenant disruption. Together, we will build a vertical transportation strategy, including building goals and budgets, and then AuditMate will execute on your behalf to maximize equipment uptime, lifespan, and savings. If the vendor is not doing their job, we get you your money back. CARE Enterprise comes with a liquidated damage calculator that tracks any contractual breach, and AuditMate will collect the damages on your behalf. CARE Advanced is our software-only solution for small building owners and managers. For just $39 per unit per month, you get the power of CARE data with none of the vendor headache. We will notify you anytime action is required, and you can just access your CARE portal to easily follow up on service, dispute an invoice, or ask an expert's advice. This solution is perfect for a hands-on manager or owner who wants elevator expert advice and auditing on demand. CARE is used by all types of buildings, from hospitals to retail to high-rise office buildings. Working with partners like Nuveen Asset Management, Jones Lang LaSalle, and CBRE. The elevator and escalator industry is a niche industry, and few outside of it have the expertise required to get the full value of an elevator maintenance contract and not pay more than they should. We are your partners in vertical transportation. We speak elevator, but we work for you.